Every day, more and more vehicles are added to Indian roads. And as the traffic increases, so does the requirement for services. Vehicle breakdown service is a rapidly growing sector. Business Watch takes a look.
Stranded on the road due to a vehicle breakdown and no help around? Not anymore. Professional automotive assistance services are there to help you. With the annual production of passenger vehicles in India shooting up by over 1 million in the past 5 years, the standards of after-sales services is growing rapidly. Generally, breakdown cover is provided by the manufacturers along with every new car sold, but there are also new companies which have emerged over the past years in India which are devoted only to attending breakdowns of cars and two-wheelers.
It's a very good service for people. The breakdown service is actually needful. If you want to reach somewhere urgently or be there somewhere, it's very helpful for us to get it done. Anywhere on the highway, the car is spoiled, family is there or something like that. It's a great service.
Crossroads is one such company which has been successfully operating for the past 14 years in 23 cities across India and is still growing. It is India's first and the largest 24/7 roadside assistance service provider for all types of vehicles.
The market in the past, post 2007 onwards, for us have grown double in terms of the way the car numbers have grown. There is a set of awareness among the class and masses about need of the services. So with the growing number of car owners and the manufacturer themselves promoting the RSA to their new cars, the market has grown fantastically for us in terms of the awareness and utility of the services.
Cars could go wrong at any time, anywhere, during peak hours in the city or night hours on a highway, on our way to a weekend picnic or on our way to work, but these companies attend breakdowns 24/7/365. They have vans which are equipped with fast-running spare parts, tools, towing ropes and fuel. The mode of communication is with the help of radio transmitter sets which are given to every technician on the van. The reach time what they promise is 30 minutes from the time of receiving the call.
If you talk about the uniqueness of the service, it is time. You, me or anybody for that matter in our professional life, car or our two-wheelers play a very, very crucial role, helping us to commute from home to office or otherwise for business or personal activities. But then what happens, you suddenly start your car while you're starting from your home to the office and you find that it fails to start, so your entire day goes for a toss. At that very moment, time plays a very significant and important role for you, right? So we are committed to offer these services within 30 minutes time, which we have now reduced it by a minute further. We have brought it 29 minutes, right? So that makes us the fastest service delivery available in India.
The demand for such services is rapidly increasing amongst car owners, especially women.
I'm a working professional. I travel by my own car and it's not confined to 9 to 5, so I travel by in odd hours also. So one should get a good car breakdown services so that even if at odd time our car would get breakdown or get stopped by any reason, it should be reliable one so that it can come in odd hours also and give us help.
According to reports, by 2016, India is expected to be the world's 7th largest automobile market and 3rd largest by 2030, leading to a sustainable growth for the roadside assistance sector.